Greetings everyone, Steve again on the Needham line in between Forest Hills and the Forest Hills and Rosendale Village Station. And I hope to catch trains. Now, right now we're looking into the sun. I'm going to get the other side of these signals and try and get a better view for you. Well, I don't think I'm going to do it at this spot. Let's try one more. Let's try this right here. Okay, we are going to do it from here. Should be an outbound with the locomotive leading and coming right through there on those signals. That was a shot of my white cane, and this is where we're going to do that signal, that video from. Train coming. And my grandson kind of pacing back and forth, patiently waiting for the train to come and go so we can go home or shopping or something. Just a quick shot of the glint coming off the rails, very close to the track switch turnout that leads to this. They don't use that siding much anymore, but I guess it has been useful. Train coming, you can hear it. Can't see my screen. I hope we're getting everything. And that sound was the train crossing the track switch and going into Rosendale Village. I don't hear the bells or the whistle. Interesting. Well, safe travels whenever, wherever, whomever you are. Enjoy.